All right, you guys, thanks for tuning in. Brand new video. Welcome to another episode of Rapid Rips. Got a hobby pack here of 2022 Series 2. Go J-Rod hunting here. See if we can find Rapid Rips. We got a Carlos Santana, Pirates, Guardians, Jackie Bradley Jr. We got a Charlie Barnes rookie card, Alex Verdugo, Connor Overton, Aaron Nola, Jorge Lopez. Ooh, got a nice die cut of Chipper Jones. Pretty cool one. Jonathan India, Lamonte Wade, German Marquez, and Bo and Vlad. All right, you guys, thanks for tuning in to a new episode of Rapid Rips, and we'll see you next time. Later.
Put me in, coach. I'm ready to play today. Big West, he can be center field.